Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting Wsus offline update and confirming the checksum so your downloads are intact. Next, place the package on a dedicated PC or VM that matches the target Windows version. This avoids driver or feature mismatches. Once done, free at least 8 GB and pause antivirus to prevent false positives. Then run the update generator as administrator and select the exact products and languages you need so the tool pulls only required files. This saves time and disk space. You now focus on building the installable media. Run update generator, pick the precise products, service packs, and languages, then include optional updates if needed. This controls media size. While the tool downloads, watch for network interruptions and retry any denied files, because missing files cause install failures later. Once complete, use the include or create ISO options to export to ISO or to a USB-ready folder. Make sure the media target matches your target machines, x86 or x64. You finish by moving the ISO or USB to each target machine and launching Update Installer as administrator, because elevated rights are required to apply patches. Follow prompts, allow automatic reboots, and rerun the installer until it reports no pending updates. This ensures all patches apply in the correct order. If updates fail, examine the log files in the client folder and confirm the OS version, architecture, and service pack match the media. Also re-enable or whitelist the updater and antivirus. These fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.